Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken wings in garlic butter sauce. I guess you can call this garlic chicken wings. It's super easy to make. It's really good. It has amazing flavor. You guys will love it. So let's get started. Alright you guys, so we're going to start by seasoning the chicken wings. I already went ahead and cut up my chicken wings, so make sure you don't skip that part. I'm going to season my chicken with some salt, pepper, and I have onion salt right here. If you don't have onion salt, you can use onion powder. I'm seasoning the chicken to my taste, but I'm going to leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description box. And I'm tossing the chicken around, that way I can get both sides coated in the seasoning. So I have my oven preheated at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to bake the chicken for about 25 minutes. So while the chicken is baking, we're going to put together the garlic butter sauce. I have some melted butter in here, and into that I'm going to add some minced garlic. I'm also going to add some parmesan cheese. Next, I'm adding just a little bit of barbecue sauce, just a little bit. This is going to take the sauce to a whole different level. Gonna mix it in. So when your chicken comes out of the oven, you're going to brush the sauce on one side. Then you're going to put it back in the oven for 5 minutes. So when they come out after 5 minutes, you're going to turn them over. I can't find my tongue, so I'm just using my hand. Hopefully I don't get burned. Don't try this at home, please. Ouch. And we're going to add some more sauce. We're going to do one last brushing after this, so make sure you leave a little bit of your sauce for later. Then you're going to put this in your oven for an extra 5 minutes. When they come out of the oven, you're going to turn them again, then brush them for the very last time with your sauce. Once you're done brushing your chicken with the remaining sauce, I like to turn my oven to broil and broil the chicken for about 5 to 10 minutes or until they turn a nice golden brown color. And you guys, here they are, fresh out of the broil. They smell so good. I only broiled them for 5 minutes, so make sure you keep an eye on them so they don't burn. I made some potatoes in my air fryer. We're going to have these with some air fried potatoes. It's going to be so good. These wings are so good. The flavor is just amazing. If you guys want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there. So juicy.